people. So these are my cute little kids. Come into the frame. So, Anku, what was the best part about this trip that you found?
Beach.
Beach, correct.
We didn't go to a beach.
We went to the beach in Marina. Yeah, in this
In this
trip.
That is one point, and there's a lot of greenery here, and it's peaceful instead of Hyderabad keep honking, pooping or anything all the time. You do something or the other, which means a lot of pollution. But then this place it's very clean and there's no pollution.
Correct.
But
See,
very
take a look
so
at
much
how-
poop.
So much poop. Where we are seeing so much poop is here. We need to go and sit in the because but he's such a sweet kid, you know. He keeps us entertained. He keeps this saying these cute things like sauce and toss. Sauce and toss. We need to. So that's what this is. We are sitting outside our guest house, and this is a beautiful place, right? And see, look at these flowers. There's flowers here, random flowers. Oh, you can't see over there, the red color. And this is my daughter, and this is my son. And Achuma, see, we have to go upstairs. And today we are leaving. Our checkout is at 12, so we've got to go. Come. Where are you
Let me
sitting?
show you something.
It's more than 1 minute. Okay, bye. So these kids are going to see some fish by the pond, and I'll also catch all in some time. So on that note, this is the only thing that is consistent in all 1726 videos. No, 1730 says other videos. On that note, this is the one thing common. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.